Hey DIYers, I'm George from Alarmgrid. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get remote access to an IQ Panel 2 Plus. This is one of Qolsys' new panel that has the PowerG daughterboard card built in, which allows it to work with PowerG sensors. Huge range. Now, the most important thing, in order to get remote access to this panel, you do have to be monitored by an alarm company that actually supports it and gives you the Alarm.com service. Alarm.com is the service provider that alarm companies deal out. So the Alarm.com service is what's actually going to allow you to interact with this IQ2 Panel Plus through the Wi-Fi or through the Cellular Path. Now, a lot of people are wondering, if you're Alarmgrid customers, why can't I sign up for a Wi-Fi plan? Why can I not pay the $10 a month and get the Alarm.com service through just the Wi-Fi path? So the thing with this is Alarm.com requires every single one of their users to have a cellular path enabled. The only panel that does that is a GC2 system, and even then, if you only have IP or Wi-Fi enabled, it still charges you for cellular plans because they do not have any internet-based plans. They only have cellular-based plans. So even if your panel is communicating through an internet path, which only one panel can do at this very moment, then that means you're still paying for cellular path, so you might as well get the cellular if you're paying for it. The IQ2, however, does need to be enabled through the cellular path. Now, the IQ2s come in different versions. They either come in AT&T or Verizon. Now, a lot of people, another common question I get is, oh, well, I don't like Verizon, I'm with AT&T, and that's who my cellular provider is, or vice versa. I don't like AT&T, I'm with Verizon, that's who my cellular company is. This is just for your alarm system, all right? So the AT&T or Verizon, you're not going to be adding the SIM card that's in your IQ2 panel. You're not going to be adding that or paying for that SIM card and adding it on to your phone plan. The alarm company is actually the people who take on those cellular fees. So you don't have to worry about contacting AT&T or Verizon when you get an IQ2 Panel 2 or when you get an IQ2 Panel Plus. All you have to do is just contact an alarm company, get them to activate it. They're going to be the ones that incur the cellular fees, and all you have to do is make sure you're signing up for a cellular monitoring plan. If you're an Alarmgrid customer, that's going to be a gold level plan. So whether it's self gold or gold, that's going to be what you want to sign up for. Now, the price of the cellular fees are usually wrapped into the plans, which is why you'll see the cellular monitoring or cellular communication plans are usually higher than internet-based only, because we actually wrap in the cellular fees into the plan. Now, once you have this system activated with a company and they offer you the Alarm.com service, we actually have a video on this as well that shows you how you can use the Alarm.com app to interact with the IQ2 Plus. Once you get the interactive service with it, you can actually arm and disarm it. You can set up email, text message notifications. You can create and delete users, set up geofence features. If you guys have Z-Wave devices linked into the system, lights, locks, thermostats, switches, basically anything that's home automation and Z-Wave, that's tied into your IQ2 Panel Plus, you'll be able to control through the Alarm.com app. If you guys plan on adding Alarm.com video cameras, this is actually some of the cameras. If you get the correct ones, they will actually stream to the IQ2 Plus. So not only are you going to be able to access them through the Alarm.com app, you can also view them on your keypad as well. And so what we have, arm and disarming, we have the videos, we have the automation, it has geofencing, and pretty much you can control the whole system from the Alarm.com app as long as you have signed up for the correct service. There is no free application for the system. You can't just download a free app from the App Store or Play Store and try to arm and disarm your system remotely. It does require some level of monthly monitoring with the company. If you want to find out more about our plans, feel free to contact us at support@alarmgrid.com. If you found the video helpful, make sure you hit like underneath, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and enable the notifications so whenever we upload new content, you guys get notified. I'm George, and I'll see you guys next time.